Hello techies, we are in lab 2.2.10 and we're going to connect a cable modem. So you are working on a small network in your home. You have just signed up for cable internet access for the network. The cable company has installed the line in your home and has given you a pre-configured modem for. Okay, so in this lab, the task is to connect the components and make Ethernet connection, add cable modem router to the workspace, connect modem to one connection using. Alright, so we're also going to connect the computer to cable modem using 10 by 100 Mbps Ethernet connection, then use the AC to DC power adapter to plug in the modem. In this Windows, use the network and Ethernet setting to confirm that the PC computer is properly connected to the internet. Alright, so and okay, we'll go ahead and just start lab. And if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm really sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So we're going to add the cable modem router to the workspace. That is the first task. And so we add the modem here, and then let's go in to the back of this and we open the cable. Where is the cable for the modem? This is the cable for the modem. So sorry about this. So let's add one end into this port, and we're going to plug the other end into this port provided here. Okay, so use the AC to DC power adapter to plug in the modem. Alright, so this is the modem, so we're going to take this and plug this in here, and take this and plug this in here. So go to the front, and this is turned on. You can see the light blinking, so this is turned on. Alright, so take this Ethernet cable, turn this to the back, plug one end to the Ethernet port here, turn this to the back, and then let's see, plug the other end to this Ethernet port here. So turn this to the front, and this is plugged in to the front. This is turned on, plugged in. Let's go into the computer and see the next stack. In Windows, use Ethernet to confirm that the home PC network is properly. Okay, so this Ethernet, you can see that this is properly connected. So I guess we're through with this lab. If this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.